Meghalaya Chief Minister and National People's Party (NPP) National President Conrad Sangma has appealed for immediate and unconditional release of 6 Naga men and 14 Kuki civilians reportedly held hostage since May 13 and 14. In separate letters to the presidents of Kuki Inpi Manipur KIM and United Naga Council UNC, Sangma expressed deep concern over continued captivity of innocent civilians and urged all concerned to prioritize humanitarian considerations above all differences. Stressing that human life must transcend divisions, he called for safe release of all hostages and urged those holding them to ensure their safety, provide food and medical care, and facilitate contact with their families. Emphasizing that Manipur's challenges can only be resolved through dialogue and not through abduction or fear, Sangma said, youth of all communities deserve future of peace, education and opportunity, while reaffirming NPP's commitment to peace, unity and human dignity and offering support for safe, dignified and transparent release process.